Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And today I want to teach you how to make this little pumpkin using a new yarn on this channel. You can make whatever size that you prefer, but today I want to show you the bigger one. You can visit our website and you can find there the free pattern. I hope you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's see the materials. This is a new yarn that we already have available on our website GretaWings.com. It's 100% Chenille yarn. The name is KiKi. We will use it for this pumpkin, but remember you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but depend of the yarn that you select, maybe the size on this pumpkin will be different. You can buy with us this yarn and more yarn on our website GretaWings.com. Also, we will use SINFONIA brand yarn. It's about 3 millimeters. For Chenille, we will use 3.75 millimeter hook, and for SINFONIA 2.5 millimeters hook. Also, we will need a wool needle, scissors, staff, and that's it. This is all the materials that we will need. Then, if you are ready, let's start. And we will start making the pumpkin using Chenille and 3.75 millimeter hook. And on round 1, we will start with a slip knot, and then 9 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Starting in the second chain, we will make 8 single crochet. And something important, for amigurumi I made a single crochet in a form of X, but on this project I will make the single crochet in a form of V. It's better working the single crochet in a form of V for Chenille. Then we will make 8 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, from round 2 to 16, we will start with 1 chain, turn, and we will make 8 single crochet, taking only the back loop. This one, no, this is the first point that we have here, taking the back loop, the first single crochet, and we need 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's it on round 3. 1 chain, turn, and 8 single crochet, taking the back loops only. And we will continue repeating the same until round 16. 8 single crochet in each round. When you finish the round 16, we will make the union, and pay close attention. We will make 8 slip stitch. You can see now the 16 rounds. Then Make this for close. Turn and 8 slip stitch, taking on this part the back loop and in the another one the loop that we leave on the beginning. 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 chain for secure after 8 slip stitch and cut the yarn. You don't need a long yarn, just for secure. And now pay close attention, I will secure this. Also we will close using SINFONIA braid yarn because it's stronger than this one. And we will put the staff, close again, and after that we will make the form on this pumpkin using Chenille yarn again. Pay close attention and you can see how I do it everything. For the sleeves, we will use green colored yarn on Sinfonia brand yarn, and we will start with the slip knot and then 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We will start in the chain number 2, making 1 single crochet. We will take the back loop, this loop on the back. 1 single crochet. In the next point, 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. After that, 3 double crochet. Take the loop 2 times. Pay close attention. I can explain this in English, I'm so sorry. And we need 2 more like this. This is the second one and the third. 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, so sorry, this is the double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Now we will make 31 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will continue doing chains until we are 31. When you finish the 31 chain, we will start in the second one, making 16 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same chain, and we already have 1 increase. The second one, and we will continue doing increase until we are 16. After 16 increase, this is the result. We will repeat 7 times, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Then 7 repetitions in total. I need make 5 more. And when you finish the 7 repetitions, this is the result, and we can make 1 chain just for secure, cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for make the union with the pumpkin. And pay close attention, and you can see how I do it. Then we already finished these details and also this pumpkin. Also, if you want to make another stem, I show you now another tutorial that we already have on the channel. In the description of this video, I will share with you the link if you want to make this pumpkin. It's similar but a different pattern, and you can use it for your pins and your wool needle. And that's it. Remember, you can visit our website GretaWings.com, and you can find there the another size for this pumpkin, the medium and the smaller one. I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi, bye bye!